Today, we are introducing WONDOM 4-inch 8-ohm 20 watts full-range speaker, made with high-quality paper cone technology. This speaker utilizes the Ferrite magnet motor technology, which is as large as 80 mm diameter and 15 mm height, ensuring clear and outstanding sound quality. The cloth surround provides superior audio performance and high sensitivity. The speaker is designed with a ventilation port below the cross-axis to prevent overheating during usage, maintaining optimal performance. Moreover, it features a steel rigid bracket, ensuring high quality. The dimensions of the speaker are as shown in the figure. The rated input power of this speaker is 20 watts, with a maximum input power of 40 watts, making it suitable for applications such as desktop speakers, bookshelf speakers, and portable speakers. The frequency response curve of the speaker is shown in the figure. We will now use the speaker analysis instrument DATS V3 to measure the speaker. The blue curve represents the impedance, the red curve represents the phase, and the right side displays the basic parameters of the speaker. Next, we will connect the cables and test the speaker's amplitude performance using test music. We have also specially designed a 3D printed enclosure specifically for this speaker. The innovative color scheme and lightweight material fully enhance the audio quality of this full-range speaker. The honeycomb-shaped grille not only adds a stylish and sophisticated look but also provides excellent protection for the speaker. The enclosure features 4 pre-drilled mounting holes, allowing for easy and convenient installation in any location. Now, let's listen to the sound quality of this speaker when assembled into a finished speaker unit. It is paired with our 1X30W TPA3110 amplifier board for optimal performance.
She saw him carried away by a moonlight shadow. He passed on worried and warning, carried away by a moonlight shadow, lost in a riddle that Saturday night. Far away on the other side, he was caught in the middle of a desperate fight, and she couldn't find how to push through.
If you found this video helpful, please kindly consider liking, sharing, or leaving a comment. Thank you for your support and valuable feedback.